Hello everyone, I'm your host Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. So let's start with today's session. Even today in 2025, many women across the world still earn less than men for doing the same kind of work. Studies show that women earn less as compared to men, and the gap becomes wider for women in developing countries or from different backgrounds. This inequality is not only unfair but also harms business growth. Research proves that companies with more women in leadership positions perform better, innovate faster, and make higher profits. So, gender equality is not just a social cause, it is a smart business move. But how can organizations bring real change? The answer lies in ISO 30415-2021, Diversity and Inclusion in Human Resource Management. This international standard helps organizations identify and fix bias, discrimination, and pay inequalities using a structured data-based approach. Now, understanding gender inequality in workplaces. Gender inequality often hides quietly in everyday situations. Sometimes it starts with job advertisements that sound more appealing to men, or interview panels where men dominate. It appears in promotion decisions where men are chosen faster, even if women perform equally well. Many workplaces still have non-transparent salary systems, where women are paid less for similar work. Also, after maternity breaks, women often lose growth opportunities. Leadership teams in many companies are still male-dominated, leaving fewer women's voices in major decisions. ISO 30415 helps uncover these hidden issues and gives organizations a roadmap to fix them systematically through fair policies and data-based reviews. Now, how ISO 30415 helps to fix gender and pay gaps? ISO 30415 focuses on four main areas to build fairness: leadership commitment, fair HR practices, data-based decisions, and continuous improvement. Leadership commitment means company leaders must take full ownership of equality. Not just talk about it, but make it part of the company's goals and vision. Fair HR practices means hiring, training, promotions, and performance evaluations must be transparent and gender neutral. The third area, data-based decisions, requires regular gender pay audits, checking salaries, bonuses, and benefits to make sure there are no unfair gaps. And finally, continuous improvement ensures that equality is not a one-time project, but an ongoing process that gets reviewed every year. Now, step-by-step plan for implementation. To apply ISO 30415 for gender equality and pay fairness, companies can follow 6 practical steps. Step 1. Leadership alignment. Start by helping company leaders understand how equality supports innovation, reputation, and growth. Step 2. Create a gender equality and pay equity policy. Write a clear policy that promises fair treatment, equal opportunity, and pay transparency. Step 3. Conduct a pay gap analysis. Review salary data across departments. Identify if men and women in similar roles are earning differently. Step 4. Improve HR processes. Make job descriptions gender neutral, standardize interview questions, and provide equal access to promotions and training. Now, Step 5. Training and awareness. Train all employees, especially managers, to avoid unconscious bias and encourage respectful communication. Step 6. Review and report. Once or twice a year, review progress. Publish an internal equality report showing improvements and set new goals for the next year. This continuous process ensures long-term change and builds trust among employees. Now, how to measure progress? To know if equality programs are working, ISO 30415 encourages tracking measurable results. Here are some important indicators or key performance indicators. Ratio of men and women in different levels of the company. Average pay difference between genders, percentage of women in leadership roles, retention and promotion rates of women, training hours and learning opportunities by gender, employee satisfaction survey scores, number of discrimination or bias cases resolved, pay transparency score, gender ratio in new hires, number of departments with less than 5% pay gap. These KPIs help companies see clear progress, identify issues, and stay accountable. Now, from policy to practice. The gender pay gap is not a mystery. It is the result of systems that can be redesigned. ISO 30415 provides the right path to bring that change. When fairness becomes part of business goals, companies grow stronger, employees stay longer, and innovation flourishes. It is time for organizations to move from words to action. Instead of asking, what will it cost to close the pay gap? We should ask, what will it cost us if we don't? ISO 30415 is not just a checklist. It is a tool for transformation. It helps businesses shift from talking about equality to truly living equality every single day. Now, thanks for watching this detailed session with me. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.